thanks so much for coming back to my YouTube page. In today's video, I'm bringing you another unit. Now this is a 22-inch 4x4 closure wig. The texture is body wave. I did go back and wash it. This one does come with 3 combs and adjustable straps. So I did bleach the knots on this unit. As you can see, this is how the unit looked before I bleached it. It was just like a straight line across, but I went back in and plucked it how I want it to be plucked. I did over bleach it just a little bit, but that's fine because I can go back on the lace with my foundation or concealer. So I didn't use any products on this unit, as you can see right now. This is a 150% density Brazilian hair. The company name is Sukish. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would like to thank all my new subscribers, and I would like to thank everyone for following me and subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. You guys are my ride or dies. I love you guys so much. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube page. And I'll talk to you soon on my next video. Bye.